There it is, my new toy. 32 inch, so 31.5 inch. Diagonal Emerson LCD HD TV. What do you say we open up this can of peaches? Ouch. Hello?
What's going on?
I'm videotaping me opening up my new present.
Oh, don't do it.
Here, you videotape me then.
No. Don't do it.
Oh, you're a weirdo.
So weird.
There's Dad being weird
What's the deal
on
with
tape.
the dude with the new TV?
My TV, man.
What's you get the one with the CD player in it?
No. That was the one that they had in Chattanooga. This is the one that they didn't have in Chattanooga. I got this one in Kimball.
Alright, I'm going back to the house.
Well, what are you doing today? Feeling like the
Clean
dookie?
up my truck. I'm trying to clean up my stinky old truck.
Hey, you're the one that makes it smell like cancer sticks.
Not me, dude.
Well, I guess we don't need that part. Whew, look at that. We got a big old book right here. Nope, that's the stand for it. Something tells me I gotta put this knife away. This is gonna look like crap, but frankly, I don't care. At least I got documentation about this thing. I gotta try it. I cannot hold this camcorder and pull this thing out at the same time. I don't want to break it. It takes two hands to do this. What I'll do, set it over here and do it quick. I almost bit the farm. And I reckon there she is. Sorry about the mess, but my dog likes to tear up my house a little bit. Pac! Paco! Oh, we got garbage on the floor. Good boy. Good boy. Ruff. 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 Speak. 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 Come here, boy. Come here. Come on. Sit. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's Daddy's good boy. That's Daddy's good boy. Ooh. Feisty. Feisty little doggy. Feisty. What? What? Up. Up. Where's Toy? Where's Toy? Hot? Peace out, all y'all. Gotta go.